Welcome to all of you. Uh, the tournament name is 24th Prize Chezathon. This tournament is I am going to play. This is my second TMT, which I will going to be published on YouTube. So all are great players playing. Peter Master, all are playing. So let's see what going to be happen. This is a very tough TMT. My first I get 1686 ratings. Let's see what happens. 13 seconds. This TMT is very tough TMT. Or all are playing. Freedom Master 2300, 2200, and so good. I think my opponent didn't come online, so I think first round should be bye for me. I think here is showing opponent left the game. It means opponent didn't online. If anyone online, then here the green signal will show. It means that we are online. Good tournament. Hope all you are enjoying. This is my second stream. I would like to be post going to be post on YouTube. So hope you will all like it and share and comment. Total in this TMT 12 rounds will be played, 3 minutes each, direct finish, no increment. So it will be very much interesting to play, and so much excitements will going to be happen. Hope you will guys enjoy this stream. Yeah, I won. My opponent didn't come. So let's see here what will happen. Okay, one board is going on, 9 game is going on. Total player already 154 already been participated, and here I will see how many title players are playing. Uh, yeah, one FIDE master is playing this TMT. He is from Italy, so great to have. 8 games are going on. Now 6 games are going on. Yeah. In this position, white is winning. So let's see the other boards. In this position, black white is exchange up, and this position opponent didn't come. Let's see who is streaming this tournament. Let's see. Okay, one game is going on. Yeah, second round going to be have. Yeah, second round started. Let's see who it is. Who is my opponent? My opponent is
Rishis. Lich's rating is 1826. My opponent didn't came, I think. He left the game. Oh, what is going on? That's very bad thing. That opponent didn't come, and very bad.
Yeah, wait now. Okay, we got an 1800 and he's online. Let's play knight f3.
I have to wait till second round. No, my opponent is not here. So I don't know when my opponent will come. Yeah, 1 minute left, and let's see my opponent's real name, what it was. Yeah, he didn't.
Yeah, I won the game. My opponent didn't came. Yeah. So the ranking after two games. The first one is Philippines, 2 points. Second one, Shankaran from India. He also 2 points. His Lyche's rating is 1740. Third one, Lyche's rating is 1466. He's Anirudh 2013 from India. And fourth one, I don't know who it is. Didn't give any details what form he was. Lyche's rating 1362. And the fifth one is the highest Lyche's rating in this TMT, FIDE FM Maurizio Brancaleone. He is from Italy. He scored 2 out of 2. And sixth, Alex Chepikov. He also 2 out of 2. Seventh, Gaurang the champ from India, 2 out of 2. And eighth is me, Satyasekhar Mitra. And ninth, Odi Biakes. He is from Greece, 2 out of 2. Tenth, GHS, 2 out of 2. And sixth game is remaining. After this game, the third round will going to be start on 5 games. In this position, black is winning. After he promotes the queen, then there is a mate on B7. Yeah. See how many players are on 2 points. There are 33 players are 2 out of 2. And other words, 1.5 and 1. Let's see who win this game. 4, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it is good position for black. Black is attacking the G2 pawn to give mate white. See mate. Okay. Last game remaining. After this game, third round will going to be start. It is a very tough tournament, I think. Already 164 players participated. Few seconds ago, I saw 154 players. Yeah, third round already started. Let's see who is my opponent. Yeah, my opponent was named Adomin Wycliffe. I think he's from abroad. Yeah, I played d4. I like e4, but this time I play d4. Yeah, my opponent, I think, left the game. My opponent didn't online now. So let's see what happens. Let's see what is the real. Oh, my opponent was from Philippines. Let's see what is her or his real rating. Real name. Third round is going on. Let's see. He didn't given did not given the name on the Lyche's profile, showing Philippines from Baguio City. Okay. Round 3 started. why it is happening, I don't know. First two rounds my opponent didn't came and I won on time, and this third game I think I also be won on time. Why it is happening I don't know. Players not coming, left the game due to internet connectivity or any other else. Let's see. Third round is going on. 9 rounds is remaining. Total 12 rounds will be played. 3 minutes each. Direct finish. And I think that direct finish game will be more interesting than increment. If anyone play with the increment, there is no charm. I think, in my opinion, I think in without increment, direct finish game is more be interesting. ভাবছি যে টুর্নামেন্টটা আমি ইউটিউবে দেবো না, কেন তিনটে গেমই কোনো অপোনেন্ট আসেনি। অপোনেন্টটা যারা, এটা একজন চেস 24 প্রাইস চেস একটা টুর্নামেন্ট করছে, তার তার একজনে যে এখানে যে ফ্রি মাস্টার খেলছে, কিন্তু এটা কি দেওয়া যাবে? তিনটে গেমই কোনো টুর্নামেন্ট প্লেয়ার আসেনি। না, প্লেয়ার আসেনি, মানে আমার অপোনেন্ট নেট নেই।
বেটার টুর্নামেন্ট ওরা পাচ্ছে, সেখানে চলে যাচ্ছে।
না না,
সারা পৃথিবীতে খেলা হচ্ছে, অনলাইনে খেলা, এটা সেরকম নাম নেই।
না, এরা করছে তো এটা, মানে এটা এরা এটা নিয়ে করছে। অনেক সময় হয়, অনেক সময় হয় না, এটা কিছু করার নেই। 17 games are running. Let's see who is on top table. Alex Chepikov is 3 out of 3. Second, Shankaran from India, 3 out of 3. I also 3 out of 3, but my games are not played because my opponent didn't came, so that's a very bad thing. And number 4 rank was GHS, 3 out of 3. Let's see how many players are 3 out of 3. 8 players 3 out of 3, and from 9 rank start from 2.5 out of 3. 13 games going on. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 6 game. Achha, 6 game going on. Let's see the FIDE Master game. One FIDE Master is playing. He is from Italy. Let's see who won this game. Okay, black going to be win this game if plays correctly, accurately. Yeah, FIDE Master is white. No, sorry, FIDE Master is black. And who is white? White is Dimetro 2018. He is from Ukraine. Ukraine versus Italy. Great. Let's see. In this position, black is exchange up. Black have 2 rooks and 1 queen, and white 1 queen, 1 rook and 1 knight. Pawns are equal. Let's see what happened here. Black is, oh, white all, yeah, white give blunder. White play queen into a6. Here in this move, white played queen into a6 and blunder already. Yeah, yeah, black won. Let's see in this game what the mistake from white. Let's see. Yeah, the mistake is white played here queen into a6, giving the queen. After queen into a6, black played rook into a6. This is the blunder for white, and white rook, black rook takes his opponent queen. Blunder. So nothing left. One game is going on. Yeah, in this game white already won. 2 queens. Yeah, next one going to start. Yeah. Top 10 players are 3 on 3, I think. No, not top 3, top 15 players. Third round, okay, fourth round already started. Now my players already came and going to give the move. Yeah, I'm giving e6. That's it. Yeah, this line is not very complicated. Both the game are, both the lines are weak, so good. Now my next move is going to play bishop e7, and then I will play knight b d7. Maybe. Yeah, I will play here. My opponent played. Achha. My opponent is from Kazakhstan. He played queen a4 to play next move knight c6. I will play here now c6. I will give this pawn. Takes, queen takes, then I will play rook c8 and c4 pawn is hanging. Let's see. My opponent will take the pawn or not. Yeah, he already taken. I will play here this move. This is very bad move. Rook c7. Now I will play knight b8, threatening queen. He have to move his queen. And now the c4 pawn is threat. I will take immediately after he move his queen. Yeah, I am time up. I am already 25 seconds here. Now I will play rook into c4. Not rook into c4. Yeah, I will play rook into c4. If it takes now, then I will play knight c6. Yeah, I will play knight c6 to threat the queen. Okay. Now I will play knight into d4. আরে বাবা বাবা তোমার ফোন বাজছে ফোন Yeah, and now I will take this. If I will take takes, okay, I will take this. If it takes, okay, then I will take it. Yeah, I am running on low time. I have to play fast. Otherwise, I will get flagged down. Tough. Let's see. I am 1 minute 3 seconds and my opponent only 39 seconds. Let's see how the game ends. Opponent thinking. Let's see. Why so much time he taking to give the move? Okay, g6. Now I will push this king to g7. Yeah. Oh. Okay, knight b3. Good move. Yeah. We'll play this move. Threatening. Okay. Check. No. Nothing is happening here. This check. Check. Yeah. Check. This check. Yeah, I won. Finally. Very tough game. Very tough game. Very tough game. Yeah. Fifth round going to start. Yeah. Fifth round started. Yeah. I'm eagerly waiting to play with him. Fide Master from Italy. Let's see. I'm ranking 5th now and my opponent first. Thinking what to play. Yeah. I play queen b3 to threat b7 pawn. Let's see. My opponent will save this pawn or not. If not, then I will capture the b7 pawn. In this 3-minute game, the time is main factor. Because if he thinks more than 1 minute, then the time pressure will start it. So we have to think equally on board and time. Yeah, my opponent already 2 minutes down. Yeah, he played knight b6. Okay, I will play now rook d1. To next move, I will take this pawn d cross c4. Okay, he played it. Okay, now I will play knight into d4. And after, if he takes, then I will take with pawn. Yeah, my bishop line is open up, already open. Okay, what he played? He castled. Okay, I will play now bishop f3. Okay, next move I will play here a4. Then I will push this pawn to a5 and thread the knight. Yeah, a5. can't come this square. I will play d5. Now my position is better. Yeah. Okay, okay. Now I will play bishop e3. This pawn is good for me. No. I'll play here next. Knight b6. Yeah, I played it. Check is coming here. Takes. I have to go to king to h1 to safeguard my king. Yeah, now I'll play king h1. Then I'll play rook to g1. Yeah, rook to g1 to threat on g7. Opponent plays this move. Plays it. Interesting situation is coming up. Only 24 seconds. Yeah, I played here. Why am I played here? If I take this. Okay, 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 okay. Oh. I missed one move. I missed it. I missed it. My opponent giving his queen. Why? Oh. Interesting position coming. Yeah, my opponent blundered. Yes. Now second blunder. Now third. Yeah. Finally, I beat FIDE Master from Italy. In this position, I missed a winning move. The move is that I am going to show now. Yeah, in this position. Here, he played rook e7, and I played now rook cross e7. This move is blunder for me. If I now play rook into d6, this pawn, then I think this is better for me. I think so. Yeah. How many players are 5 out of 5? Elchan Pangan, Alex Chechepinov, and I, Satyesh and me. 3 players are leading with 5 points. G game 6 going to be running here. Yeah. Let's see. My opponent's giving me draw. Okay, I will accept it. I think the third rank player Alex Chepikov going to be 6 points, I think, because his opponent already came. Let's see this game. Who won? If white is won, then 6 out of 6. Half points ahead. White Alex Chepikov versus Magica Pesencia. Black was from Chile and white, which country? He didn't show now. He didn't give this identity where from he is. So let's see the game. Black is taking so much time. Why he taking so much time? Time is already running less, 1.36. Yeah, white is already winning here on time, I think. Network is also the factor, but here both are online. Black is online, so why black is not giving his move? I don't understand. Yeah. 1 minute game, how could he won? Don't know what is going on. Yeah, white is already winning. Yes. Yeah, white is one. I thought that now three players are top 6 out of 6. Alex Chepikov and second and third position 5.5. Now 6 rounds are have, so we have to play so much careful to win this title. I think now I should not give the draw to my opponent. Maybe he thought that if I won that game, so in this fear he asked me for a draw and I already take. But let's see. Yeah, already started. Let's see. I have to beat. I have to win this game. I have to beat him. This player's a tough guy, I think. Let's see. Round 7 started. Yeah, he moved his queen. What is going on here? This is French structure. Then can't come here. Spawn. So hanging knight. Yeah, queen is hanging, bishop is hanging. I think any one piece will. Yeah, he give his queen. Oh my god. I think he blundered. He should not give his queen. I will play this knight to d4 and control this d4 square. Ah, it's taking much time. It takes. Yeah. Now totally winning for white. Threatening this c6 rook and rook trap. Yeah, nice game. So 7 rounds going on. 5 rounds remaining.
Second ranking is Kenny Ming from Australia. He scored 6 points. He's only 13 and a half years old. His feed rating is 1600. Now one game remaining. এখন ওর ঘরে যাও হয়ে যাবে আরে আরে 5টা রান যাও না ওই ঘরে কি করো না আরে আমার অসুবিধা হবে যাও না এরকম করছো কেন তোর অসুবিধা হবে round 8 going to start. Reconnecting problem. Yeah, my opponent blundered here. Let's see the game. I played queen d4 to threatening the square is b2 mate threat. If he move the knight, then I will mate here. He
blundered his queen into b4, and then I will take by bishop. And my immediate threat is b2, and now I will threat this pawn. So it's a better for black. Yeah, 8 rounds going to be finished. Yeah, 8 rounds over, and I am leading in second rank. First rank is Alchar Prangan, 7.5, and second is me, and third is Landos of Bria Forca, is 7 points. 4 more rounds to go. Yeah, let's see this game. What happens? I play d4, d5, play d. Yeah, I. This is a slab defense. In slab defense, the game continues like this. Then knight b7 will come, b6 will come, and bc after b6, bishop b7, after bc, bishop b7. Plus c5. I block. Yes. I played very bad this game. Out of concentration. It's very bad. I played very bad. Now 3 rounds to go. Round 10 started. I have to play more seriously in this round. Early round I lost due to my bad concentration. In this game I have to play more attacking and carefully. Now b6 pawn is hanging, e5 pawn is hanging. Yeah, he played bishop c8. Okay, now I'll play bishop into e5, threat c7 rook, and if it takes this bishop, then I will play with bishop queen. Now c7 rook is hanging. Okay, I will play this move, and then I will take this pawn. Yeah, now I'll take this pawn. Oh, interesting game going on. I'm in time pressure to play so fast. So fast. Oh, what should I play? I have to give my queen. Yes, opponent is playing so well. This pawn is very much bad condition. What to play here now? Very bad, very bad, very bad. Yeah. Now the ultimately drawn. Yeah. Two rounds to go. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see what happens. Check. This is hanging. Thought my queen going to betray, but no. The rook b2, king h1. 76, 96. My next idea is 96. To yeah, yes. I did the best move. Now queen is hanging, rook is hanging. You have to save anyone. This piece and these two pieces are hanging. If he save his queen, then I will take the rook. Yeah, he blundered, and I won. I think I will soon. I will win this game. Yeah. My opponent is also down in time, down in board. Both of us, both of the thing getting down. Check. My opponent is from Ukraine. Okay, Ukraine players are so strong because Ukraine countries from East Europe. East Europe players always strong, always strong. And now I'll play rook to e6 and to threat a mate by queen or rook, anyone. Now he will play rook b1. I will go king h2. Then thereafter here there is no safe square for this. Yeah, he resigned. Okay, Now let's see the ranking. 10 games remaining. I am leading number 1 rank. Second one is Lado Sombrio da Forca. What is this? Is this a name or any other thing? Okay, second board is going on. 10 games are going on. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. चार 4 गेम्स अभी चल रहा है. देखा जाए तो मैं 2 रैंक में हूँ. मैं 2 नंबर पे हूँ. एक नंबर पे जो जिसका नाम बोला, नाम स्पेलिंग करने से पूरा जान निकल जाता है, इतना बड़ा नाम है. 2 गेम चल रहा है. सो इस गेम से अच्छा मैं 3 पे चला गया. मैं एक गेम ही हारा. कौन सा राउंड पे हारा? राउंड नंबर 9 पे मैं एक गेम हारा. और शायद मेरा बूचर्स अच्छा होना चाहिए क्योंकि मैं लास्ट में हारा. और जो पहले पॉइंट तो उस पॉइंट से ही अभी कोई गेम, ये लास्ट राउंड अभी चल रहा है. इससे मालूम होगा कि कौन आगे जाएगा और कौन पीछे जाएगा. लास्ट गेम चल रहा है. थोड़ा ध्यान से खेलना होगा लास्ट गेम को ताकि कोई ब्लंडर ना हो. लास्ट गेम चल रहा है. मेरा ओपोनेंट कौन सी कंट्री से है? कोकोस किलिंग आइलैंड. ये कौन सी आइलैंड है? पहली बार नाम सुन रहा हूँ इस आइलैंड का मैं. कहाँ से प्लेयर खेलते हैं चेस पूरा वर्ल्ड? मतलब जो जिस जगह पे कोई लोग नहीं रहता उसी देश से खेलता है प्लेयर चेस. मेरा ओपोनेंट भी शायद उसी जगह से खेल रहा है चेस. अच्छा ठीक है, तो अभी हम इस पॉन को बढ़ा देते हैं. इस नाइट पर प्रेशर क्रिएट करते हैं. इमीडिएट नाइट पर प्रेशर. ओके चलो ये तो इसको मार देते हैं. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इसको निकालेंगे, इस बिशप को निकालेंगे ताकि बेहतर हो जाए. देखा जाए तो अभी वाइट का पोजीशन थोड़ा अच्छा है क्योंकि रुक का लाइन ओपन हो गया एच रैंक का. मेरा अभी ओपन होने जा रहा है. देखा जाए तो मेरा ओपोनेंट बहुत टाइम अभी ले रहा है एक मूव देने को. हाँ दिया, ये मूव दिया. इसका मतलब मैं अभी इसको निकालूंगा बिशप को, उसके बाद A2 पॉन को थ्रेट करूंगा. हाँ अच्छा मूव दिया ये. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इस रूक को ऐसे निकालेंगे। वाह, इसको ध्यान रख के खेलना होगा। शायद मैं हार ना जाऊँ इस गेम, बहुत ही ध्यान से खेलना होगा। मुश्किल पोजीशन हो गया है, टफ पोजीशन, टफ पोजीशन, टफ पोजीशन। पीस डाउन हो जाएगा, लेकिन टाइम मेरा बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, 1 मिनट 37 सेकेंड्स। मेरा ओपोनेंट खाली 40 सेकेंड्स रिमेनिंग। अच्छा ये मार दिया, ठीक है चलो, ये मार दिया तो मैं भी मार दूंगा। फिर रुक को थ्रेट करूंगा। ओ, रुक को थ्रेट नहीं कर पाऊंगा, क्या करे, इसको दे, इस नाइट को नहीं मार सकूंगा। नाइट मारने से इधर बिशप आ जाएगा, इस रुक को पकड़ेगा। ओ, अब ये चेक देगा क्या? क्या करे यार, पोजीशन वो घटिया हो जा रहा है। कि क्या कर रहा हूँ, अच्छा है मार दिया, चलो अच्छा है। अभी रुक इन गेम चला जाएगा। ओ, नहीं जाएगा। इतना कम टाइम में कैसे खेलूँगा मैं, कैसे खेलूँगा, इतने कम टाइम में कैसे खेलूँगा? साला ड्रॉ भी नहीं है। गलत खेल दिया। इसको पहले मारो, ये मारो, फिर इसको ठेलो, ठेलो पॉन ठेलो, ये दो, ये दो, ये मारो, चेक दो, चेक दो, चेक दो। हाँ अभी पॉन ठेलो, 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 ठेलो। हाँ अभी इस पॉन को ठेले, अच्छा इसको ठेलो, चेक दो, हाँ ये ठेलो, अच्छा ये ठेलो, इसको इधर दे दो, चेक, ये दो, ये दो, ये दो, चेक, चेक, जीत गया, जीत गया, चेक, जीत गया, मैं जीत गया। हाँ अल्टीमेटली मेरा गेम विन हो गया। मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं हार जाऊंगा, लेकिन टाइम बहुत फैक्टर है डायरेक्ट फिनिश में। टाइम इज़ अ मेन फैक्टर। वो टाइम प्रेशर से ब्लंडर दिया, और इस गेम में मैं थर्ड हुआ। फर्स्ट कौन हुआ? लैडो सोमब्रियो डाफो का 10.5 पॉइंट किया। सेकेंड कौन हुआ? GHS, वो पॉइंट किया 10, और थर्ड में। और फोर्थ जो हुआ वो है फ्रीडम मास्टर इटली का, उसके साथ मेरा गेम पड़ा था, मैं उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मैं उसको हरा दिया। तो बहुत ही अच्छा टूर्नामेंट था। टोटल 175 प्लेयर्स इस टूर्नामेंट में खेले थे। तो मेरा परफॉर्मेंस रेटिंग शो कर रहा है 2384, और जो फर्स्ट हुआ उसका 2362, और जो थर्ड हुआ उसका 2341। इसके हिसाब से मेरा ज़्यादा हुआ परफॉर्मेंस रेटिंग। अच्छा टूर्नामेंट था ये, बहुत ही अच्छे टूर्नामेंट थे, बढ़िया खेला मैं, और बढ़िया हो सकता था, अब क्या करें, टूर्नामेंट तो हार जीत तो गेम में रहता ही है।